Hey everyone, welcome to this first look video of the OPPO F7. The smartphone was just launched and we've got one unit in our hands, and let's take a look at what this latest edition in OPPO's family of smartphones comes with. So just flipping the phone over, first and foremost you notice the gorgeous red back. It's all glass and it's really beautiful. The sides are nicely curved and tapered. There's a micro USB port on the bottom along with a headphone jack and a speaker grill. The glass back is gorgeous. It's unfortunately bound to attract some fingerprints, but that's alright. So color this good, it's bound to stand out. Then the main feature of the smartphone is the display. Now you get a 6.2-inch full HD display and there's a notch at the very top. This is a new trend that a lot of Android smartphone companies are following now, and we've seen the Vivo also launch a phone with the notch, and thankfully the notch is very minimal on the OPPO F7, so it should not really interfere that much with your viewing and gaming purposes. Now if we talk about the specifications of the phone, it comes with 4 gigs of RAM, it has a Helio P60 chipset and about 64 GB of internal storage. Obviously you can also just put a memory card or use an OTG pen drive to expand the storage. Best of all, the phone is running Android Oreo right out of the box. In terms of powering the phone, there's a 3400 mAh battery which should last anybody for an entire day regardless of how heavily you use this phone, and that's pretty impressive. Now if you talk about imaging, which is the main USP of any OPPO device, you've got a 25 megapixel front facing camera. You can see here, okay, just a quick heads up, this is a video of a display screen in a weirdly lit studio environment, so don't go by what you see. Good thing is the shutter speed is actually pretty fast. You've got some AR stickers as well, which you can turn yourself into whatever you want, funny characters. On the back there's a 16 megapixel camera, and if I just quickly place a test subject here and see how it responds, the shutter is fairly responsive, and that is a very good thing because typically shutter lag is a big problem for a lot of Android smartphones. Now not going to get into a full analysis of the camera, we'll leave that for later, but for now fairly impressive. Now let's take a look at the fact that the phone is priced at about 22,000 rupees. And given its specifications, it might seem like it's on the pricier side, especially given that for this much money you can find other smartphones with somewhat better specs. However, the most crucial element about the smartphone and its pricing strategy is the fact that this is designed for offline markets. Now you could look at other phones such as the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is to some people might seem like a better opportunity, but the problem with that is you'll have to jump through so many hoops. You'll have to go through flash sales, and even on offline there is very little chances of finding that phone right now. But OPPO's USP has always been the fact that their phones are available offline in abundance. So that's a good advantage that the OPPO F7 has in its court. It's gorgeously designed, beautiful red color, nice glass back, and a killer front facing camera is from what the company claims, with an AI assisted beauty mode, 16 megapixels on the back, running Oreo right out of the box. So all in all, a fairly satisfactory package at a decent price is available the minute you want to buy it, and that's the biggest advantage of this phone. So in case you like this video, make sure you like our channel, you share this video with your friends, subscribe, and thank you for watching.